Hello everyone! Today, we are going to solve some problems involving absolute and gauge pressure. First, a car tire is inflated to a gauge pressure of 200 kilopascal. Calculate the absolute pressure in the tire assuming that the atmospheric pressure is 97.3 kilopascal. Second, a pressure sensor in a vacuum chamber reads an absolute pressure of 600 pascal. What is the gauge pressure if the atmospheric pressure is 102,345 pascal? But before solving the problems, let us first discuss what is absolute and gauge pressure. Absolute pressure is the total pressure exerted on a system, including the atmospheric pressure. It is measured relative to a perfect vacuum where the pressure is zero. Absolute pressure is denoted by P absolute wherein P stands for pressure. In getting absolute pressure, we have this formula. P absolute is equals to P gauge plus P atmospheric, or the absolute pressure is equals to the sum of gauge pressure and atmospheric pressure. On the other hand, gauge pressure is the pressure measured relative to atmospheric pressure. It is denoted by P gauge wherein P stands for pressure. Gauge pressure can be either positive or negative. If the gauge pressure is positive, it indicates that the measured pressure is above atmospheric pressure. But if the gauge pressure is negative, it indicates that the measured pressure is below atmospheric pressure. In getting the gauge pressure, we have this formula. P gauge is equals to P absolute minus P atmospheric, or gauge pressure is equals to the absolute pressure subtracted by atmospheric pressure. Now, let us go back to our problem. In this problem, we have to calculate the absolute pressure. But first, let us list all the given values. We have the gauge pressure which is 200 kilopascal and atmospheric pressure which is 97.3 kilopascal. Using the absolute pressure formula that I've mentioned earlier, we can now substitute all the given values. P absolute is equals to 200 kilopascal plus 97.3 kilopascal, and by totaling these values, we can obtain the result of absolute pressure which is 297.3 kilopascal. Let us try the other problem wherein we are going to calculate for gauge pressure. In our earlier discussion, in getting the gauge pressure, we have P gauge is equals to P absolute minus P atmospheric, or gauge pressure is equals to the absolute pressure subtracted by atmospheric pressure as the formula. We have the given values. Absolute pressure is equals to 600 pascal and atmospheric pressure is equals to 102,345 pascal. With these given values, we can now substitute it to our formula. Gauge pressure is equals to 600 pascal minus 102,345 pascal, which will result to negative 101,745 pascal. Our answer is negative, which means that our gauge pressure is below to our given or reference atmospheric pressure. This ends our video. Thank you for watching.